Hello to all international students here in Australia. This is for you. Hello everyone. My name is Joven and I'm here to address an urgent issue affecting international students here in Australia. A sudden policy change now imposes a 35-year age limit on the 485 temporary graduate visa, causing distress for many students. We are calling for a fair transition period for this policy. These students have invested heavily in their education and deserve better. All you have to do is to scan this QR code, scroll down, put your name and email address. We need 20,000 signatures to advocate. If this code is not working, please visit the link below to sign the petition and support our international student. Every signature counts. Thank you and God bless.